29th, 2018. This one here, I gotta go do some run a gas line. Guy's doing a new kitchen and he wants to put a gas stove in, so he's got gas there underneath the house. I just gotta run a line over and up. But they wanted me to run 3/4 over to where the stove's going in case they ever want to put a dryer in the future. And have a tap down below, you know, 3/4 line. So 1 inch down there now, going to a combi boiler. So going over there, maybe get the gas pipe done today, and got a couple other things. He needs me to hook up a couple of sinks and change the toilet out. We'll see what I can get done today. The baby dog is working again, yo. That's what we're gonna need to go up there. We're gonna go up there like on a 45 up there. I don't know if you can see it, but here's my 1 inch right here. I'm gonna go 1 by 3/4, probably turn with an elbow and come over, and then run over there and up. It's gonna be a tough one, but we'll manage. We'll manage. We'll shut this off now. We'll shut the gas off, and it must be outside the meter. Flipping jungle here. Alright guys, I had to come an inch off this pipe. One inch. There's an elbow on that end at 72 from center to end. Hello, can I help you? Hello? Hello?
Hello?
Can I help you?
This is lavimoniere, plumbing, heating and air conditioning.
It is.
Can I speak to the person in charge who handles the electricity bill for this location?
No, you can't.
Sorry?
Sorry? Sorry? Trying to sell me something. Typical. Everybody's always trying to sell you something. reverse. Back it right out. Alright guys, so what I did was I took the 1-inch cap off and put a 1x3/4, and I went over and I put a shut off right away. Then we ran over here, put a hanger here, and I came over with an elbow and 45. I dropped down. I had picked up this pipe from another job, and I'm just gonna give it to the guy because it's good pipe, but I was just gonna chuck it, but it is used pipe. So then I go up here 3/4 by half right up to the stove, and then instead of putting a drip right here, I just ran over and dripped it over here. So if he wants to continue, he could take this off, you know, and run over, because he might want to put a dryer over here somewhere. It's a little porch area. So and I'll show you what's going on upstairs. What I gotta. We're in the jungle here. And the gas back on. I got the gas back on. So all I'll do is I'll just turn this on. I'll show you what I did upstairs. Turn the boiler back on, and I just want to give this thing a good check and make sure I got no leaks. Got a valve over there. If I want to put a pressure test on it, I could put a pressure test. I could put the valve in there, you know. This bottle is not the greatest. Giving me some issues here. The trigger's binding up. But like I said, I don't want to put the drip right there. He'd be banging into it all the time. So. I'm not going to put the stove in until the countertops come. They got granite countertops coming. He wants to put it in without the counter, so we'll put it in.
Yeah, I'd rather have them come and put, set the counter to the range rather than the other way around. Sometimes they'll put make it too tight.
Yeah. So you rather do it this way?
Yeah. Well, they won't square it up.
Alright, no leaks.
when I do the.
So it's a little bit of a run here.
What's that?
My camera.
What are you taking pictures for? Fun?
Yeah, just for fun. Oil.
Houston?
Houston, we have ignition. Okay? No leaks. I'm good to go.
You've done this before, huh?
A couple of times. Now, if you're gonna slide it out, you know, not a bunch of times, you know, when you slide it out,
an eye on it.
yeah, once in a while, you know? I wouldn't do a bunch of times.